So I'm driving down to Hofn, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, another beautiful waterfall. Had to pull over. Look at the water. It's, I mean, that blue-green, stunning. Just stunning. And if it was not raining, I would hike down there. But my jacket is soaking wet. My pants are still wet from everything I've done today. And I wish it wasn't so foggy and cloudy and rainy, because I bet that this would be, the colors would be even more vibrant, but oh well. Working my way down there back toward the water.